I'm Chef Anna. I've been cooking since age 3. I was fortunate to have a Hispanic mother who pulled a stool to the kitchen counter and taught me the basics of stirring. There have been many important people in my life, including an Italian mother-in-law who taught me the secrets of cooking in the old country. I also had a Southern grandmother who taught me the intricacies of cooking in the South. I attended culinary school in Thailand. All these experiences led me to form Chef Anna, a personal chef service. We start with a new client interview, where I understand your dietary preferences and restrictions. Then I create a customized menu that you approve. We'll schedule a cooking day. On your cooking day, I'll grocery shop for you so that you have the freshest possible ingredients. I'll bring my portable kitchen to your home, clean your kitchen, prepare the food, package it, label it, store it in the refrigerator or freezer, clean your kitchen again. All you have to do is come home to a house full of wonderful aromas and spend time with your family. Now that you understand how the service works, you may be wondering if you can afford it. Many families have already outsourced housekeeping and landscaping. Chef Anna is no different. It's a delicious and affordable option. Click on the link below to visit our website for more information. Chef Anna, bringing families back to the dinner table.